In this session, we are going to create a utility class, which is used to demo the square class we just created. So we are required to create a different package and create the class square demo inside this different package and create an instance of square in the main method with side length set to 10. Apparently, the reason for using this different package is to give you a training on how to reference classes from other packages. And then we will utilizing the for loop and the if statement we learned before, create 12 square instances in square demo class with random size and print out if divisible by 2, divided by 3, by 6, and otherwise, print out different things. All right, so let's create the package first. Session 5A. And new class, square demo. And let me copy the main method inside. And also we need to have the Java doc comment to copy this inside here. So now it looks better, and we will, create a different package, create a different class, create an instance of a square. Now what we can do is also do a quickly calling square as 1. And with side length set to 10. But apparently there's an error, and I'm pretty sure you already know what the error is. The constructor is not visible, and basically it's a square that's not visible. And actually there was a mistake from my side. I forgot to put public here in front. And now we should have you can see Eclipse automatically add this import for me. Now let's say I'm hiding this for now. What will happen? There will be an error, and it will says square cannot be resolved to type because it does not know where to find this thing called square, this class called square. So that's why we need to import from another package the definition of square. Okay, so that's why when we are done with this part, and let's run, we get a 100 area. Now let's create 12 square instances. I'll just hide this first. And it will be a for loop. Create 12 square instance. Let's make a pseudocode for it. Now, let's organize that so it will be create with square. It will be iterate loop 12 times. To create a square with random size, then we do the print out if, else. And the looping 12 times apparently will be int I equals to 0. I less than 10, and I plus plus. And by this time, you should know why I write this equal to 0 and less than 10. All right, then we create square with random size. Before that, we need to get the random seed. And you can see Eclipse automatically add random import for us too. Now we get rand.next, actually it should be next double. S equals to square, S equals to rand.next double. $100. New square. I think we should just use int to simplify this a bit. So we are creating a new square with a size, with a length, side length, anywhere between 0 to 99. Remember, when I put the 100 here, it's actually return me an integer between 0 to 99. So I still need to plus 1. Now, if, actually that's a good, s dot get side length %2 equals to 0. We will be printing out side length, so it's get side length. And if divisible by 3, so it will be else. Get area. And here, if divisible by 6, I believe we discussed this before, we should always have the most limiting branch first, instead of putting this at the end. So it will be, if divided by 6, divisible by 6, then we will print out both side length and area. So if it's divided by 6, if not, then it's divided by 2, divisible by 2, and divisible by 3. And finally, else. Okay, so this is how you are going to write. I think this one is this exercise is most aimed to refresh you with loop and if else, and combine them into object-oriented programming so that you can see how this can be combined together to form one solution. Let me save it and let me run. For 12, this is, I think we started by 0. Oh, because the first one got 24, the second one got 8, 94, and all the way down here. And somehow it's hidden. All right, this is what we have for this question.